says you want point P, which is 1 and 1, and point Q, which is x and 2x minus 6. And they want, part A says you want to make the slope of the secant. Okay, so as Courtney correctly said, it's just the same stuff you did in grade 9. In calculus, we'll be using variables for things instead of just numbers. So to get your m, you just do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Courtney, since you're on fire, can you please sub some numbers in for me? Go ahead. I'm going to fix that up because I don't like that numerator. Can somebody tell me something that's awkward with that? Sam, go ahead. Yeah. Something I could even do better than that, I think. Yeah, you can definitely factor this one. So your slope should be negative. So your slope is going to be negative x minus 1, where x cannot equal 0. Does that work properly? So I went through that at 100 miles an hour, okay, but does that make sense there for that? Always try and factor everywhere in life. Okay, try and factor.
Plus minus x.
Negative 1 plus or minus x.
Yeah, I put plus minus x because x could be greater.
Okay, we'll get for that. I just did slope and secant, that's all I want to do for right then. Okay, if you do that, definitely do the that, but this will just give you the general equation for that. Okay, question with this before I move on? Did that match up to that in the book, I hope?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is this textbook good for answers?
It's been triple checked for accuracy. Well, that's what every text, that's a joke, because every textbook says that, there's no mistakes. I haven't found anything major, and it's not like the grade 10 book, which is awful. Like every second question is wrong that way. It's not bad like that. This is generally pretty good. I'm going to hit pause here because you guys don't need, the internet doesn't need to hear this. Meaning this will not be on your final exam. Ah! Okay, so that should be that, slope of the secant. Should be, in order to get the slope of the secant, just plug in those values for B. Okay. And that should be it, shouldn't it? You want me to do it the long way? I think that should be it. I think that should be it, right? And the slope of the secant, do it all that way. Okay? We on today's lesson? I'm not going to do all the rest. Now, people said I have questions about graphing curves and all that sort of stuff. We will get into graphing in much more detail than the rest. I will not get, the only reason graphing is good for in this first chapter is just to help visualize it. Right, that's all it would be. So, I'm not going to get along with it.
Sorry, I just didn't want to.
No, I'm glad you're on the same thing. Like, why did he like that? Like, he wants to get an argument. All right, let's go on to the lesson, which I'm going to just stop that whole exchange so that the internet doesn't need to hear that. Did I tape anything? I did probably tape something. Okay, let's actually stop that and save it. Whoops, sugar. Okay, I'm going to save this.